You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Rajan Sajad Official. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so you will receive all my latest videos. Good news, second vaccine has been approved by the United Kingdom Health Regulatory Authority. So it will be used to fight against the COVID-19 infection, which has been really causing a lot of morbidity as well as mortality, and also affecting the economy of the countries. So MHRA, which is the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, has approved the COVID-19 vaccine. So which is the joint venture of OxfordUniversity and AstraZeneca for use across the UK, following a robust and thorough assessment of all the data which was submitted by the research group or the vaccine group. And they also took the advice, MHRA also took the advice of its scientific independent advisory body, the Commission on the Human Medicines. So AstraZeneca or Oxford vaccine has been approved for use for people who are more than 18 years old, and they will receive 2 doses. The first dose and the second dose will be after 4 to 12 weeks of the first dose. This vaccine, the good thing is, like all other traditional vaccines, can be kept at the temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. So it is a more convenient and can be supplied to all healthcare settings to give people who are eligible for this vaccine. And it can be kept for at least 6 months. The committee has reviewed the safety and efficacy data of this vaccine, and they found that this vaccine is really effective. According to the chief of MHRA, no stone is left unturned when it comes to their assessment. So the approval of this vaccine means more people can be protected against the virus, and definitely in this coronavirus pandemic, more lives will be saved. So for the use of this vaccine in pregnancy or pregnant ladies, the vaccine should only be considered for use in pregnancy when the potential benefits outweigh any potential risks for the mother and baby. And the decision should be made by the mother as well as the healthcare professional. If it is a good, useful, then it should be used. And this vaccine, according to the MHRA, women who are breastfeeding can also receive the vaccine. So this advice is in line with the pregnancy and breastfeeding advice for the Oxford and AstraZeneca vaccine. So anyone who has previous allergic reaction to the ingredients of the vaccine should not receive this vaccine. But the people who are allergic to food, so they can receive this vaccine. So I have already mentioned about the dosing interval. So the first vaccine will be given on day 0, and the second vaccine or second dose should be given between 4 to 12 weeks. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section, so I will answer. Thank you very much. Bye.